the Solana ecosystem is experiencing a robust uptrend, overcoming the challenges of the bear market. The substantial appreciation of the price of SOL and a distinct shift in market sentiment marks a noteworthy resurgence. Data from Bain Crypto shows that Solana SOL briefly touched the $60 mark earlier today, its highest level since May 2022. Solana SOL price rallies 500% YTD. SOL has demonstrated remarkable growth, surging over 178% in the last month and nearly 500% year-to-date. This places it ahead of other leading cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, which have also experienced positive trends. A surge in new users, increased liquidity, and a growing interest in the Solana blockchain technology from major traditional institutions complement this upward trajectory in price. Read more: 7 must-have cryptocurrencies for your portfolio before the next bull run. Solana's year-to-date price. Source: TradingView. On-chain data from DeFi Llama reveals that decentralized exchanges operating on the Solana blockchain have surpassed $2 billion in trading volume within the first 12 days of this month, setting the stage for a record-breaking month. Furthermore, the total value of assets locked on the network has exceeded $500 million as of press time. Grayscale Solana Trust at 800% premium. The bullish market conditions have significantly impacted Grayscale Solana Trust, GSOL. Data shows GSOL shares are trading at an impressive premium exceeding 800%. Secondary SOL shares transactions reached as high as $202 on November 10th. This represents a substantial increase from the $20 valuation of primary sales during the same period. Grayscale Solana Trust. Source: Grayscale. This surge underscores a growing interest among institutional investors in securing exposure to Solana. The American Association of Individual Investors, AAII, says GSOL provides a secure avenue for investors to invest in the ecosystem without the inherent risks. Notably, the premium trading of GSOL aligns with other Grayscale products currently attracting substantial attention from investors. This heightened interest stems from prevailing sentiments regarding the potential approval of a spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, ETF, in the U.S. Currently, at least 6 of Grayscale's trusts for digital assets, including Chainlink, Filecoin, Decentraland, Stellar Lumens, and Basic Attention Token, are experiencing premiums exceeding 100%, respectively. About 250,000 to 700,000 SOL have been sold daily by FTX for the last 3 weeks. SOL's price jumped above $60, as GSOL's premium also increased. While the price may retrace, it may not take long before SOL hits $70. Despite being a notable casualty of the FTX contagion in 2022, Solana SOL has defied all odds in 2023, as the price continues to outshine its peers. In the last 30 days, the value of SOL has increased by 180%, rising as high as $62 on November 11th. However, the rising price of SOL is not the only interesting thing the token has shown by the token. For a token that was once described as dead, it has shown tremendous strength. CoinEdition came to this conclusion because of a post by trader Blunt's Capital. The big players are here. According to Blunt's, FTX, after getting the go-ahead to liquidate its assets, has been selling around 250,000 to 700,000 daily for the last 3 weeks. Regardless of the sales, SOL has failed to nosedive. Rather, the price has chosen the upside. Meanwhile, there have been other entities backing the SOL price action. One of the major ones is the Grayscale Solana Trust, GSOL. Unlike SOL, which allows ownership, GSOL only allows investors to gain exposure to Solana without actually owning the token. A look at Yahoo Finance's data showed the price per share of the asset was $202. Also, the premium rate has grown by 76.99% in the last 24 hours. This growth implies that there has been a surge in institutional money allocated to GSOL. In return, the SOL value has also shown superb strength and resisted selling pressure. Also, if the institutional liquidity continues to flow into the Solana market, SOL may not slow down on its growth. However, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, as shown by the SOL/USD daily chart was 88.28. Typically, RSI readings like this are considered overbought. So, the SOL price is supposed to reverse. While the price had dropped from $62, the bullish sentiment the market has and the demand for the token has ensured that it hasn't fallen below $58. Should SOL sustain the current buying momentum, then the price may head in the $70 direction. But before that, there is a chance that a retrace occurs, probably to $55. The upper band of the Bollinger Bands, BB, touched SOL at $58.93 and also showed that it was overbought. However, the BB expansion means that there could be enormous price fluctuations in the short term. So, expecting an exponential increase in the SOL value is not out of order. In the long term, there is a high chance that SOL outperforms a number of blue-chip cryptocurrencies considering the current hype around it. Whale alert, a cryptocurrency data tracker, indicates a large XRP move in the last 24 hours. A new whale seems to have been born for XRP, the fifth largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. In a tweet, Whale Alert reports that less than $500 million XRP has been transferred to a new wallet. According to Whale Alert, 425,807,780 XRP worth $288,496,378 was transferred from an unknown wallet to an unknown new wallet. The exact reason for the transfer remains unknown, but the possibility remains that a buying, most likely an OTC, over-the-counter, transaction that occurs outside of a crypto exchange. XRP seeks to establish a new move following a significant surge in the early part of the past week that reached highs of $0.732 on November 6. After a breathtaking ascent, bulls took a breather and could not reach the 74 cents level. Following that, XRP saw profit-taking, reaching lows of $0.628 on November 9 before beginning to recover. XRP was up 0.1% in the last 24 hours to $0.667 at the time of writing. Currently, all eyes are on a sustained break over 74 cents, which would take XRP to 85 cents. If bears take the upper hand, XRP may retest the 62 cents level as support. Ripple CEO says SEC has lost sight of its mission. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse believes the SEC has lost sight of one of its primary responsibilities as a regulator, CNBC reports. In December 2020, the SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple and its executives, alleging unregistered security offerings with XRP sales. Ripple achieved a significant victory in July when a judge declared that XRP is not a security in and of itself. Following that, the SEC's request for an interlocutory appeal was denied. The SEC then dropped its claims against Ripple executives Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson in October. The next phase in the case is the remedies discovery process. According to a proposed schedule submitted to the court, the SEC has 90 days beginning November 9 to conduct remedies-related discovery. As cryptocurrency enthusiasts keep an eye on the ever-dynamic market, XRP is drawing attention with its recent price action that could be signaling a potential for a significant price surge. Here's an analysis of the current XRP chart and the latest headlines that could be influencing its market movements. XRP price analysis. Examining the provided XRP chart, the token has shown a notable recovery, making a bullish run toward higher resistance levels. The movement is underscored by the crossing of short-term moving averages above the longer-term ones, suggesting bullish momentum. The volume profile also indicates a healthy interest in XRP, with consistent volume supporting the recent price increase. Possibility of bullish price reversal. The price pattern suggests that XRP is testing a crucial resistance point. A break above this level could confirm a bullish price reversal, potentially leading to a new uptrend. The momentum indicated by the moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is in the bullish zone, which supports the scenario of a continued uptrend. Source, TradingView. While the current trend appears bullish, traders are always on the lookout for signs of a reversal. A significant pullback after failing to break the resistance could lead to a short-term bearish scenario. Traders would monitor the RSI for any signs of divergence that could indicate a loss in momentum. Recent news has been favorable for XRP, which could be adding to the investor frenzy. A key highlight includes the SEC's loss to Ripple, where a federal judge rejected the SEC's bid to appeal a decision favoring Ripple, which has likely boosted investor confidence in XRP. Furthermore, Ripple's Q3 2023 report highlighted material growth in the adoption of XRP, with new listings on options markets, adding to the positive sentiment. However, some uncertainty remains as the SEC gears up for a potential appeal, which has previously led to negative pressure on XRP's price. Still, the overall increasing adoption and consecutive legal wins for Ripple provide a solid backdrop for potential price appreciation.